NIST Drone Training. Improve your drone pilot skills. Part 1 NIST Training. The NIST training system is designed based on the open lane test guidelines from NIST aerial drone tests, following official protocols to simulate key scene elements such as flight lanes, buckets, and identification markers, enabling realistic NIST training simulation. Part 2 High Precision Scene Restoration. The system replicates the NIST training environment based on the open lane test guidelines, with the size and placement of bucket accurately designed at a 1:1 scale, providing a realistic and high-quality simulation training scene. Part 3 Comprehensive set of training modules. The system includes 5 types of training modules: position, traversal, orbital, spiral, and recon, each available in 3 progressive levels: 1 second, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds. Together, they form a comprehensive training curriculum designed to systematically build your drone piloting skills. Part 4 Training. Assessment modes. In training mode, cursor cues and positional guidance are provided, along with a user-friendly interface to help trainees quickly grasp essential flight skills. In assessment mode, all guidance is removed to simulate real-world evaluation scenarios, ensuring pilots are truly mission-ready. Part 5 Features. The system supports multiple DJI drone models and is fully compatible with DJI RCN series remote controllers. It also enables real-time video transmission to the DJI AC Plus screen, delivering an authentic, responsive control feel and an immersive flight experience. Part 6 Training Summary. After each session, the system generates a training summary, recording flight duration, task completion rate, and captured footage, all presented on a results screen. This helps you evaluate your performance, identify areas for improvement, and progress with targeted training.